It was just after 1 p.m., and I was feeling hungry after a productive morning. I decided to grab a bite at the coffee shop nearby. As I walked in, I noticed Sam sitting a few tables away. We both ordered at the same time, got our meals around the same time, and even waited the same amount for the check. But our experiences couldn't have been more different. I walked in with a smile, feeling optimistic, and enjoyed my lunch, chatting with the waitress and leaving recharged. Sam, on the other hand, looked like he was having the worst day. He was tense, annoyed with everything, and it showed. It's fascinating how our attitudes shaped our experiences. I walked out feeling great, while he left frustrated. It's all about perspective. How we choose to see the world can completely change our day. Your attitude is like a mental filter that shapes how you see the world. Think about it. A person with a negative attitude says, "I can't," while someone with a positive outlook confidently declares, "I can." The negative thinker fixates on problems, but the positive thinker seeks solutions. One finds fault, while the other looks for the good in people. It's all about perspective. When you focus on what's missing, you miss out on the blessings right in front of you. Remember, your attitude is your window to the world. Make sure it's clear and bright. We all start life with a clean mental window, just like children who laugh and explore without fear. Think about a toddler learning to walk. When they stumble, they don't blame the carpet or their parents. They smile, get back up, and try again. That's the power of a positive attitude. But as we grow, life throws dirt at our windows: criticism, rejection, disappointments. If we don't clean that window, it clouds our vision and dims our enthusiasm. We risk losing sight of our dreams. So, let's take a moment to wipe away that dirt and embrace the clarity of a positive mindset. It's time to see the world with fresh eyes. I once felt trapped, staring through a grimy window that clouded my view of the world. It wasn't until I realized that the dirt was my attitude that everything changed. I took a step back and decided to clean that window. I chose to let go of negativity and frustration, and suddenly life was vibrant again. I discovered a renewed confidence and the courage to pursue a career I truly love. It's astonishing how much our perspective shapes our reality. We have the power to control our attitudes, no matter the circumstances. Viktor Frankl, a man who endured unimaginable suffering, taught us that even in the darkest times, we can choose our response. So ask yourself, is your window clean? Are you ready to wipe away the grime and embrace the possibilities life has to offer? Remember, a brighter outlook leads to a brighter life. You hold a squeegee. It's time to take action.